Hello, I'm Martijn from Heath. Today we're at the InfoComm in Las Vegas. We're here in front of the wall of install from Heath, where we showcase our install solutions. It's all based around our dLIVE DM0 or DM-Rex mix rack engines, which can be controlled by different types of units. We have our small IP1 wall controller, which you can use as a level control or source selection, or you can use some fader-based units like the IP8 or rotary-based units like the IP6. Up to 96 of those controllers can control our DM platform. If you want to have remote audio, we have our DX16.8 drop boxes, 16 in, 8 out, or our DX16.4W wall mount, which fits in a standard 12 by 12 wall box and is DC or AC powered. First, in the US, we have a demonstration of our new drivers, which will be available soon for AMX and Crestron, with scene recall, level control, mute control. They control directly to the DM mix rack, so you can integrate it in your AV installation. Right now, we have a situation where we have some Dante-enabled Aterotech and RDL devices, and this Bluetooth device is running AES67 straight into our Dante card. So you can do Dante and AES67 on the same network. If you want to have a service connected to your DM, you're good to go. Up to 4 services and audio distribution all the way. If you want to know more about the Heath installed solutions, please go to our website, lrnheath.com, and you're good to go. Thank you very much.